Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now by making sure the phone has enough charge and low power mode is off because that can limit display adjustments. Open Settings, go straight to Display and Brightness, and find the True Tone switch near Brightness controls. Tap the switch to toggle True Tone on or off so you can test the difference. While doing this, make sure your hand isn't covering the ambient light sensor at the top edge. The sensor reads surrounding light to adjust color and warmth automatically. Once True Tone is switched, evaluate how the colors shift by opening a plain white page and a neutral photo gradient. You should see warmth or coolness change immediately. Make adjustments by toggling on and off and comparing side by side. This shows whether the sensor responds. Also test in real lighting, daylight, warm indoor light, and dim rooms, because True Tone adapts continuously. If colors barely change, clean the sensor area and repeat, ensuring no screen protector or case blocks light reaching the sensor. To finish, set True Tone on if the test showed a pleasing color balance and adjust display brightness for comfort. If True Tone doesn't respond, restart the iPhone XR first, because a reboot often restores sensor functions. Make sure any screen protector or case isn't covering the top sensor. Remove it and retest. If issues persist, reset all settings via Settings, General Reset, Reset All Settings. This preserves data, but clears.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.